Are you getting the error message? The application was unable to start correctly. Click OK to close the application on your Windows PC. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the simplest working solution step by step. Just follow along carefully and your problem should be fixed. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, we'll try the simplest solution. Click on the Start menu. In the search bar, type CMD. You'll see command prompt in the search results. Right-click on it and select Run as administrator. If a user account control pop-up appears, click Yes. Now, in the black command prompt window, type sfc/scannow, press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. This may take several minutes. Windows will automatically scan and repair any corrupted system files. Once it finishes, restart your PC and check if the problem is fixed. If it's still not working, follow the next steps carefully. Step 1. Enable .NET Frame. Now click on the Start menu and search for Control Panel, then open it. Click on Programs. Under Programs and Features, click on Turn Windows. Features on or off, a small window will open. Find .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services. Make sure both boxes are checked. Click OK. Windows may download the required files through Windows Update. Wait until the changes are fully applied. Once done, close the window. Step 2. Delete corrupt DLL files. Now open this PC. Go to your Windows installation drive, usually local disk C. Open the Windows folder. Scroll down and open the System32 folder. Then search xinput1_3.dll. Right-click on it and click Delete. Now go back. Open the syswow64 folder. Again, search xinput1_3.dll. Right-click and delete it from here as well. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Continue. Step 3. Reinstall DirectX. Now open any browser and search for DirectX download. Click on the official Microsoft website link. Download the setup file. Once downloaded, open it. Accept the agreement and click Next. Make sure to uncheck Install the Bing bar. Click Next and continue until the installation begins. Wait for it to complete, then click Finish. Now restart your PC. After restarting, try opening your application or game again. It should now be working perfectly. If you still face any issues, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.